About. It's time for On the Run. Tommy.
Yeah, thanks Mick. Time for On the Run. We're going to find out what the fans think of Jason Ackermanis. Do they rate him or hate him? Let's find out. Sir, Jason Ackermanis, rate him or hate him?
Hate him.
No, rate him. Very good player.
Hate him. Hate him. Hate him. Hate him. Hate him. Hate him.
Oh, a lot of aggression. Rate him or hate him?
Jason Ackermanis. Hate him.
I love him. I love him. I wish another club could pick him up and he could start playing next week for someone else.
Ackermanis, rate him or hate him?
Mate, no, he's not a bad bloke, but he needs to learn to shut his mouth. Hate him.
Oh, he's all right. I absolutely love Jason. I think the Bulldogs made a huge mistake getting rid of him. They're gone, mate.
Hate him.
Love him.
No, I don't like him.
Hate him.
Rate him. Mate, he's a good guy.
Hello. I do rate, even though everyone's telling me should hate, do rate.
Do rate, fair enough.
Because I think we all owe him because he saved us from a Collingwood victory.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah, so I think he's pretty cool.
Rate him.
Rate him.
I like him. I reckon he's all right. I like his opinions.
Nah, he's good. He's good. I like him. Yeah, he's all right, mate.
Yeah, well, there you go. Now the fans have truly spoken. These boys like him.